Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to talk about the history of automobiles and influential people and personalities in this world. Mobility has always played an important role in the development of man. In almost every area, man has tried to find a means to move people over long distance at highest possible speed. The development of reliable internal combustion engine that run on liquid fuel was necessary to make the vision of self-driving car a reality. What's the history of development? It is difficult to imagine life in our modern era without a motor car. Its emergence required the existence of many conditions without which it would not be possible to do such a thing. At this stage, some milestones of development may be worthy of attention. They play a fundamental role in the development of the car. About 3500 BC, the development of the wheel is attributed to the Sumerians. About 1300, for the refinement of the carriage with elements such as steering, wheel suspension, and carriage spring. 1770, steam buggy by Joseph Gardner. 1801, engineer developed the gas engine. 1870, Nicholas Otto built the first four-stroke internal combustion engine. And this is a very important move. In 1855, Carl Benz entered the history as the inventor of the first car. His patent is the beginning of the rapid development of the car. It was powered by internal combustion engine, while New Age fans held the New Age Corvette as a symbol of progress, while the majority of people protested the growing nuisance of dust, noise, accident, and reckless drivers. In the beginning, obtaining a car was a serious challenge. There was almost no road network, repair shop were unknown, fuel was bought from the pharmacy, and spare parts were purchased according to request by the local blacksmith. The prevailing conditions made the first long journey by Martha Benz in 1880 a surprising success, believing she was the first woman behind the wheels of motor vehicle. She also demonstrates car reliability by covering an enormous distance of more than 100 kilometers, about 60 miles, between Mannheim and Pforzheim in southwest of Germany. However, few entrepreneurs, with the exception of Benz, considered the importance of the motor vehicle on a global scale. Panhard Gales, a pioneer in the construction of doors, such as titling steering wheel, steering column, pneumatic clutch pedal, rubber and tubular radiator. In the following years, the industry grew with the entry of companies such as Peugeot, Citroën, Renault, Fiat, Ford, Rolls-Royce, Eaton, and other. Gottlieb Daimler, which was selling his motor almost all over the world. And a significant motivation for these developments was added to the motor vehicle of that time by taking the design originality from the construction of automobiles. They soon become the cars we know today. However, it should be noted that each car was an individual product of purely manual labor. Change occurred with introduction of the assembly line by Henry Ford in 1930. With the Model T, he revolutionized the automobile industry in the United States. It was precisely at this point that the automobile was no longer a luxury item brought to Europe, but it was only accepted in the mid-1920s. Automobile manufacturing quickly realized that in order to succeed in the market, they had to meet the demands of automobiles customers, so the victors of automobile races were exploited for commercial advertising. Professional racing drivers with speed records in the progress left indelible impressions of themselves and the car brands on the minds of the spectators. Additional efforts were made to expand the product line, resulting in a variety of car design in the following decades. They were produced based on the common lifestyle and also the economic and political influences of the day. For example, simple vehicle before World War II could not be accepted due to the demand for large and representative cars. Manufacturing of that time designed and built the most exclusive cars such as Mercedes-Benz K500, a Rolls-Royce Phantom, George 1855, a Bugatti Royale. The Second World War had a significant impact on the development of smaller cars. The Volkswagen model, which became known as the Beetle, designed by Ferdinand Porsche and was produced in Wolfsburg. At the end of the war, and the demand for smaller and affordable cars became common in response to the demands. Car manufacturing like Golf GP 700, Loeb 13, Citroën TCV, Trabant, Isetta, and the Fiat 500C was produced. Automobile production began to evolve new standards, placing greater emphasis on integrated technology and accessories, with reasonable price-performance ratio as one of the main considerations. Today, the emphasis is on a high level of passenger safety. The increasing traffic and much higher speeds compared to previous years make an airbag, TCS, ABS, and a smart sensor practically necessary, make the continued development of the car by innovative engineering in the automobile industry sector and continuous increase the demand of the market have been fulfilled. However, there are areas of effort that still create challenge in the future. An example is the further reduction of environmental burdens through the use of an alternative energy sources. For example, fuel cells, but it's not accepted at this time that the automobile industry will go back. This is the same concept that is related to the car. Automobile has been extensive for more than a century and is always evolving for the safety and comfortable car. Thanks for watching.